días, Castros. Let's going to correct our work from yesterday. We have started looking at division and we are looking at how to divide 4-digit number by 1-digit number. Now, your work was a little bit tricky because, as you can see, my thousands, that is the important bit of division, I start dividing with my highest value. In this case, because it's 4-digit number, I'm starting with my thousands. The problem was that my thousands, it was not a multiple of my divisor, so you had to just carry that tens to my next value. Not difficult, let's go to correct it. Get your pen. Let's go to start with the first one, which it is 4 divided by 3. 4 is not on my 3 timetable. The closest one is 3, and I get 3 by timing. 1 times 3 is 3. So 4, 1. You can cross it out if it helps you, okay? I have now 12. 12 is 12 on my 3 timetable. It is. 4 times 3 is 12. I got it? You can cross it out if you want. Now I go to my 6. 6 on my 3 timetable? Yeah. 2 times 3 is 6. And then I go to my last one. 3. 3 is on my 3 timetable? Absolutely. 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Let's going to go to my next one. Your answer is 1421. Let's going to go to my next one. Again, 4 is not on my 3 timetable. The closest one is 3. And I can get a 3 by timing. 1 times 3 is 3. To 4, I need to carry 1 with me. Now, I don't have a 2. Now I have a 12. 12 is on my 3 timetable when I'm timed. 4 times 3 is 12. Got it? Go to my next number. 7 times 7 on my 3 timetable? No. The closest 6 is, and I get a 6 by timing. 2 times 3 is 6. To 7, 1. And again, I get another 12, and I know that. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay? Let's going to keep going. It's 8 on my 5 timetable. No, it's not. So my closest is 1 times 5 is 5 to 8, 6, 7, 8, 3. Now I've got 33. Not a 3, 33. Is 33 on my 5 timetable? It's not, because my 5 timetable, the multiples ends in 0 and in 5. So the closest is going to be 30. I get 30 by timing. 6 times 5 is 30. 31, 32, 33. And again, I need to carry 3. 38. Well, the closest is going to be 35. So 35, I get it by timing. 7 times 5. 7 times 5, 35. To 38. 36, 37, 38. 3. And now I get 35, which I know now that 7 times 5 is 35. So your answer is 1677. Let's going to go for my next one. I have 7 divided by 6. Well, my closest one is 6. So 1 times 6 is 6. To 7, 6, 7, 1. I carry that one, and now it's an 11. 11 on my 6. How annoying! I could get 12. So the closest one again is going to be 6. 1 times 6, 6. 1 times 6 is 6. So let's going to go to 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5. 50 on my 6 timetable. No. The closest one is 8 times 6 is 48. 49, 50. So I carry 2 to my next digit. 24. 24 on my 6 timetable? Yeah. 4 times 6 is 24. Your answer should be 1184. Let's going to go for the last one. 8 on my 6 timetable is not, because it goes from 6, 12, 18. So I need 1. 1 times 6 is 6. To 8, 7, 8, 2. Now I get 20. 20 on my 6 timetable? No. The closest is 18. 3 times 6 is 18. 20, 19, 20. 2. Another 20. Now the closest is 18, 19, 20, 2, 24 on my 6 timetable. Yeah. 4 times 6 is 24. So your answer should be 1334. Okay, let's going to go now for today's lesson. Let's going to see what we are doing today. We are going to still be looking at division, but this time we are going to be looking at division when my first digit, my thousands, is a multiple of my divisor. Now what happens is that your hundreds digit is going to be quite tricky. So we are going to see how to do this. Right, I'm going to have 9,183 divided by 3. Now remember that my short division starts like a bus method. That's how we know it, but it's called a short division method. We are going to get my 3 there, and inside the numbers that need to be divided. 9, 1, 8, and 3. Okay? So, I know that 9 is on my 3 timetable, which is great because it's a multiple, so it's going to go straight there and I don't need to carry anything, any tens. So let's do it. 3 times 3, is 9. But now I've got my 9 and I need to go now to my hundreds. 1. 1 is impossible because it is smaller than my 3. So then I will need to say 0. But then if you see why 0, because I cannot time it, but because look, 0, 3 times 0 is 0 to 1 is 1. So you are going to carry that and create now an 18. Remember that if you cannot do it, you need to make sure you put your 0 there and carry it and make your next number. Now I have my 1 and my 8 and I create an 18. Is 18 on my 3 timetable? It is. 6 times 3 is 18, exactly. So I don't need to carry anything. 3 on my 3 timetable, yeah, 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Easy, isn't it? It's a little bit complicated because of this, but don't worry because we are going to get it. Can you get your pen? And then we start doing one together. What about then if I have this time, my bus stop and it's going to divide by 3 and I have 6,261. Let's going to look at this one. So I start with my biggest value, which is with my highest value, which is my 6, my thousands. 6 is on my 3 timetable, is a multiple of 3, and I get it by doing 2 times 3 is 6. So I've done my 6, I'm going to my hundreds. 2. Well, 2 is smaller than 3, so I cannot do it. I cannot do it, I put 0, because 0 times 3 is 0 to 2, 1 and 2. And I'm going to carry my 2 to my next number. Now I create 26. It's 26 on my 3 timetable. It's not. And then the closest is 21, 24, 27. The closest one is 24. So if I get 8 times 3 is 24 to 26, 25, 26. I carry 2. It's 21 on my 3 timetable. Yep. 7 times 3 is 21. Okay? Really simple, isn't it? It's not that tricky. It is because of when you get a number or a value which has a digit that is smaller than the number that you are dividing. But it's not a problem because you just put the 0 and carry it over. Right, let's going to do these ones together to try to get in there. And you turn. Let's going to try the last one together. 8,224 divided by 4. Let's going to look at the first value, which is my thousands, and that's the one that I need to start with. 4 times what is 8? 8 is a multiple of 4. 8 is on my 4 timetable, and I can get it by doing 2 times 4 is 8. So I'm going to my hundreds. 2 on my 4 timetable, well, not, because 2 is smaller than 4, isn't it? So I cannot do it. So I'm putting a 0. 0 times 4 is 0. The 2 is 2, so I carry that 2. And now I have 2 tens, and I have 22, not only a 2. 22 on my 4 timetable. Well, the closest one, it goes from 20 to 24. So the closest one will be timing 5 times 4, 20, 21, 22. And now I get 24, which is 6 times 4 is 24. Okay, right, have a go at these 2 exercises. I correct it with you as soon as you finish, play it again, and then we mark it together, and then you're ready to go and do your work. All right? Can you please do 5,160 divided by 5, and can you please do 4,208 divided by 4? Go for it. Play it again when you're ready to mark it, please. Right, let's going to start with the first one. 5,160 divided by 5. I start with my highest value, which is my 1,000. 5 and 5, I can find 5 on my timetable is a multiple, and I get it by doing, not by doing that, because this doesn't work. And I get it by doing 1 times 5 is 5 to 5, 0. Got it? 1. That's a tricky one. I'm going to my hundreds and I have 1. Well, 1 is not going to be on my 5 timetable because the first one is going to be from 0 to 5. So I haven't got it. Sorry, I need to start with a 0. 0 times 5 is 5 to 1 is 1. 16. 16. I know 15. That is 3 times 5, 16. I need 1 more and make a 10. And I know that 2 times 5 is 10. So your answer should be 1,032. Let's going to go to the last one. 4. I can get 4 by doing 1 times 4 is 4. 2. Well, I cannot get it because it's smaller. I need to put a 0. 0 times 4 is 0. 2. Sorry. The 2. 20. 20 on my 4 timetable, yeah. 5 times 4 is 20. And 8. 8 on my 4 timetable, yeah. Another multiple. 2 times 4 is 8. Really simple, isn't it? It's just a little tricky bit, but if you learn it and learn the steps, what you need to do next, if this happens, if my hundreds is smaller, what do I need to do next? Then you will know how to work it out. Remember that you just put a 0, time it by 0, and carry it to your next value. Okay? Have a go, and then we'll mark it tomorrow. Adios!